Hello guys, this is Tayyab from TTech. In this video, I am going to teach you how to download PyCharm for Python. Okay, first of all, let me open my Chrome. Okay, so this is Chrome. Let me say write PyCharm. Okay, as you can see, this is already my here. Just I write Py. Okay, now let me click here. Okay, friends, there are two types of PyCharm. One is professional for developers, and second one is community version that is free of cost, but professional is paid. And you can also choose their student education tutorial, I think. Okay, there is a difference between professional and community edition. Intelligent Python editor both support graphical debugger and test run. Okay, and navigation and refactorings both are available, and the code inspections both are available. VCS version control system support also available on both. Okay, there are a little bit difference in community and Python. Okay, so it's better you download community version because we need to do not a professional work, just for learning purpose. I think community is okay, but I have lessons so that I can download this one professional. Okay, so click here. After a few seconds there will be started. Okay, thank you for downloading PyCharm. Okay, wait a moment and then it will be done, then come back. Okay, I have done my downloading. Okay, that's open. Okay, so wait a second because it is heavy, so that it can take some seconds. Okay, next. Okay, where you wanna browse? And actually I wanna in F is okay. Next. Okay, there will be a create a shortcut on desktop. Okay, and also create association.py. Okay, then next install. Okay, then I don't know what is the reason why it is so slow. Okay, wait some seconds. Okay, run PyCharm, finish. Yes, it is income PyCharm Professional 2020.1 by JetBrains. Okay guys, it is some tips. Oh my god. Okay guys, actually I was having work on a project. I also have it set. Okay, so that was it. Okay, hope you will understand, and that was